Long story short,
hey y'all,
you
welcome to my
walked
hotel
out
room
the
tour.
door.
I'm in Dubai. I'm sure you already know that by now, so let me just give you a quick tour. I legit just ended the other vlog. I arrived today. I want to go shower, but I said before I scatter the room, I've not even laid on the bed, nothing. I just want to show you guys the room, shower, and then probably edit and go out. I don't know yet, it's still morning. So yeah, let's begin. As I'm staying at the Rove Hotels. Rove has a lot of hotels in Dubai, but I'm staying at Rove Trade Centre. Just a very sustainable hotel, simplicity, not too much going on. I'm very minimal when it comes to a lot of things, so I really liked this hotel. And from the reviews on booking.com, they're really high. I just said I had to stay here. This is my room. Let me show you. Starting from the door, you just come in. And then the first door to your right is the toilet. Let's go to the toilet. It looks so clean. It has a shower head over here and also a handheld shower. Over there are my toiletries. I already put them. But for complimentary, you get this one. There's a bio shower gel and there's a bio shampoo and conditioner. It's well sealed. Nobody can take it. There you have the knobs, just very simple and straight to the point, but so clean. Over here you have towels and you have the toilet area. I love the fact that they have this shower head. If you're part of those that use water to wash up, you flush from here. There's also a telephone in the toilet, which is brilliant, I must say. And then over here you have tissue papers, more towels, and here you have a big ass mirror where you can see yourself, you can see your makeup and stuff. What I did was just to lay out my skin products here. So these are skincare and these are beauty, like cream, soap, perfumes and stuff. And you also have a hand soap here. That's my bath bag. And here you have a tissue dispenser and also a waste bin, right? Then you have a big mirror, a full-size mirror, which I'm here for. This is where I'll be staying to do all my OOTDs. I really like it, really love it. Over here there's a wardrobe. I don't like the fact that it doesn't have doors, but the hotel is very simple, like I said, so I'm sure all those things were just extra. So I've already hung some of my things. I have my bag here, I have my silk scarf, and I have my luggage. I've already arranged my footwears. And in here you have the bed. The bed is quite okay. This is looking like queen size, not king size. And there you have a safe. There's no space for boxes, so I just had to arrange my boxes here. Thank God I'm not here with anybody, if not it would have been cramped up. And then I requested for an ironing board. I just called to ask how I can iron, and they brought iron and ironing board for me, which is beautiful. I don't have to pay for it. So yeah, my own iron and ironing board. Here you have the TV. I turned it on, but I turned it back off because they're just showing some kind of things I don't understand. And you have a table here, which is going to double up as my makeup area. So I've already arranged my brushes. These are my glasses in here, and these are my makeup. Here you have like a coffee table thingy. You have this customized coffee cups and 2 bottles of water. Yeah, this is a non-smoking room, so they have this card that says thank you for not smoking, right? And there's another mirror here. I love the fact that there are mirrors everywhere. And then you have a stool where I'll sit down to do my makeup, and a waste paper bin. I just put some things in there. And one of my favorite parts of this room is this couch. I really love this couch. I'll just sit down here and be looking outside, enjoying my view. You also have these decors right here. I don't know, this is in Arabic, I can't read, but this is like a map thingy, and this one, they're very much in sync, so I like it. You have a reading lamp and a telephone, charging port. I really love the fact that the charging port is the one that you don't have to use any extension. It's just the universal mouth, and yeah, amazing. And then you have this right up. This must be the place. Yes, it is. Let's go to my favorite part of this whole space. The view, man. The view. Ooh. I'm bummed that it doesn't have a balcony, but I really don't mind. I love the view. I'm just here looking down. The pool is over there. Yeah, I'll go downstairs tomorrow. And then you have a lot of things that you can see. Like, I have a good view of Dubai, basically. Dubai downtown. It looks really, really, really good. So, before I go, another 360 of the room. Such a clean space. Quite small, but I can make it work. I'm really, really comfortable. One tip I'm going to give you when it comes to booking hotels like this and getting good deals is to book early. A week before I came, right, I checked the price and it was almost $800 for 1 week, but I paid less than that for same timing, same room, same everything, and it comes with breakfast. So this is amazing. I really like it. The hotel looks so good. Probably when I go downstairs, I'll do like a tour or something. Very sustainable, very simple. They have games, they have a box room, they have a lot of things, gym and all. I'll be sure to explore those areas and probably show you up. But for now, this is the end of my room tour. I need to go shower now and do something with myself. So I'll talk to you all later. You guys, I said I was going out and then I said I'm not going again because my zip broke. Like, this is how Dubai is welcoming me. But finally I changed into something else and let me go to the mall. I want to go and see what's going on there. I'm wearing this Kim's body suit. This shorts is from Shein. I love this V thingy going on. My bag is called Gedra. Slippers from Zara. Glasses from Pretty Little Thing. And I'm just very simple. I want to wear my Crocs, but let me just go with this one. So yeah, this is day 1 OOTD. Bye.
They call me sassy when I'm strolling down the street. They call me classy when I'm serving just the best. I can be deadly when I find somebody lovely. And now I'm ready like a kitty in a dress. Don't call me mean, I just want someone to love me. Someone to lick my wounds and kiss my aching body. My desperation knows no termination, baby. Now would you love me if I were somebody else? Wish I had a tail. Wish I had a tail. Cause if I did, then I would swing it, be swinging it in front of you. If I had a tail. If I had a tail. Yeah, if I did, then I would swing it, be swinging it in front of you. I would swing it to the beat, I'd be a mover. And everyone be jealous of my touch. I just wanna be the one that makes you true. No, I'd be a super duper cool, not a smoother little puss. Wish I had a tail. Wish I had a tail. Cause if I did, then I would swing it, be swinging it in front of you. If I had a tail. If I had a tail. Yeah, if I did, then I would swing it, be swinging it in front of you. Now don't call me mean, I just want someone to love me, someone to lick my wounds and kiss my aching body. My desperation knows no termination, baby. Now would you love me if I was somebody else? Wish I had a tail. Wish I had a tail. Cause if I did, then I would swing it, be swinging it in front of you. If I had a tail. If I had a tail. Yeah, if I did, then I would swing it, be swinging it in front of you.
You guys, I'm back. Oh, I've heard it today. This Dubai, the stress is plenty. And anybody that knows me know that I don't like stress. I've spent all my money where I was using taxi inside Dubai mall, inside the mall there. Oh, finally I've worn my Crocs. This thing has happened to me before. I don't know why I do not remember. I went to Dubai Mall just for two reasons. I wanted to go to H&M and I also wanted to go to Zara, right? Oh yeah, now look for the Zara and the H&M. That's why how I went round up to 10 times. Where I'm looking for one shop. You will be looking for this one, you will not see marks. You say, okay, let me enter. You will not see anything. You come out. You say, okay, let me go look for the store. You turn around again, pass where you passed before. I was just tired. I was just tired. Nothing I achieved today. The stores are even empty. Zara doesn't have anything. H&M, oh, nothing. Nothing. Crocs, I wanted to go to their shop. I couldn't find it. Boots that took me there, they don't have the ordinary products. What they call these people? Sephora, I wanted to get all night spray by Urban Decay. They did not have it. I ended up buying something else that I wanted. These are the things I ended up buying. So I went to, let's do a mini haul now. I went to Bath and Body Works and I got body sprays. Not for me though. I just saw that they were having sales, so I picked up these two. I'll definitely give them out to my friends or something. These two. I don't want anything that will add weight to my box because while coming, I noticed that I was almost surpassing my. The next bag is from Sephora, right? Sephora. You guys already saw when I was inside. So I picked up the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. I've always wanted to try this one. It's the Fenty Glow, the first one she released. So this is me trying it out for the first time. I heard it's really good. I'll use it tomorrow. I've always wanted it, so yeah. The Glow Bomb, this one. And then I picked up the Too Faced. This is supposed to be Better Than Sex mascara, but it's like they've changed the name to Better Than Love mascara in the mini size. While coming out, someone in front of Cartier gave me this perfume. He just gave them, it's like, oh, you're so cute. I'm like, are you giving me? He said, yes, you're very cute. Take it. Well, I said, thank you. Me that was looking homeless, walking like somebody that her father and mother have abandoned. I also stopped by at MAC to buy setting spray. This is the Prep and Prime setting spray, but this is in the Eid packaging. So Eid was recently now, so they had a different packaging here in Dubai. And if you're buying your setting spray, buy from Dubai. It's way cheaper than the US. Like way cheaper. It's about $30 something. I think in the US it's like 40 something, I believe. And then, what did she put in for me? Oh, okay. They gave a gift of Studio Fix. I don't even know what shade. NC25. What you like is NC25? Nah, man. I told you all that my jumpsuit broke, right? So I saw an alteration store in Dubai. I entered. I said, okay, and my zip spoiled. How much did they used to do? They told me 78 dirhams. That they start from 78 dirhams. I said, okay, give me needle and thread. I bought needle and thread from them, which was even still expensive. Yes, it's I don't know. Okay, yeah. Stitch in Time is the name of the store. Clothing alterations. So I bought needle and thread. Everything was like 30 something there for needle and thread. That the thread is from Germany. I said, hi, I miss home. I want to go back. I'm tired. I also stopped by at Miniso to buy scissors. So I'll use it and DIY that jumpsuit and work on it. Finally, on my way out, I stopped at Waitrose and got this mixed berries fruit bowl just to have for dinner. It has, let me show you guys. It has blackberries. It has some sort of berries. I don't know, and strawberries. This acai berry. I don't know whether this is what it's called. Oh yeah. So juicy. Maybe what I'll have for dinner. Now, drink water. Go to bed. That's it. I want to go take a shower now and prepare for tomorrow. Tomorrow is my birthday. And I have a yacht day planned, and then I'm going to Atlantis as well. So tomorrow is going to be fun filled. I have to wake up early, go for breakfast, get ready, and hit the road. I will talk to you all in the morning. Let me go shower. Bye.